Welcome to Math 123 for the fall 2018 semester. I am Becky Menning, and I will be your fearless leader. It is starting to get late because I've been working all day, and this is my home office, so it's my Yankee room, and I'm an Ohio State fan. So, woo! Anyway, this is going to be just a small tutorial walking you through IvyLearn and what it's going to look like for us. So when you come in, you're going to see recent announcements. We're going to get to the announcements in a minute, but you're going to see the course syllabus is linked and then the 8 modules for this course. So you can get to any module directly from the homepage. So if you're in module 3, you can just click straight on module 3. That's an easy way to get there. Now I'm going to kind of go through some of these buttons here on the left. So the announcement button, you're going to want to check this on a regular because I post a lot of announcements. You can see I've already posted one about our live synchronous sessions that's going to happen every week. So read that. It's got the link of how you get into our sessions, a little bit more information. I will also be emailing you that kind of stuff. But a lot of announcements are going to be up. All of these videos I'm making are going to be in the announcements. If you have a random question for me, check the announcements. I might have posted a video about it. Okay, I post a lot of announcements. It's where everything goes because it's always there. Your syllabus, there's me, my email. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me. If we need to chat, if you need help with something, we can set up a GoToMeeting, which is virtual, right through the computer, live, we can talk. You can share your screen, I can share my screen so we can see what kind of math is happening. All you got to do is ask. I have a lot of time that I can work with, but you can't email me at 4 o'clock and want to meet at 4:30, right? I do have things planned, but if you say, hey, on Monday, can we meet sometime this week? We will find a time. So you just got to give me some time. Rebecca Fought from one class is my supervisor. The other class, you're getting the same video. Monica Champion is my supervisor because I'm teaching for 2 campuses this semester. But please read the syllabus. There's interesting and important information in there, and I follow my syllabus. So you're going to want to read that. The modules. There are 8 modules in this 16-week class. There's an 8-week class later. You're probably going to get the same video. Anyway, for the most part, there's going to be a module for 2 weeks. But you can see the due dates are already set. So the module 1 discussion is due August 27th. The orientation for WebWork is due the 27th. And then we got September. So some weeks are going to be fairly light. Some are going to be a little bit more heavy. Everything in this class is open right now. So when you work through something, if you're done, feel free to work ahead. There's nothing wrong with working ahead on things. You can do everything. You can finish this class early if you get done. So don't feel like you have to wait and do things when they're due. You can totally work ahead. You'll notice that in the module, so this one has 3 sections. These have all of the videos that go with your workbook. Your workbook should have been shipped straight to your house, and these videos will walk you through it. So you click on section 1 videos, section 2 videos, and these videos aren't real long, anywhere from maybe 3 to 10 minutes, obviously depending on the topic. But they're important. That's how you're going to get your information. I am not teaching you this information in our live synchronous sessions. Our live synchronous sessions are going to be to go over homework, talk about, answer your questions, talk about projects, maybe do some Excel work. But I'm not going to be teaching you the material because you have all of these videos that match up with your packet so you can work them out and fill them in as you go. Okay, so that's where you can see the videos, just FYI. But, if you ever have any questions, you just shoot me an email. Tell me what class you're in and shoot me an email, and I will take care of you. WebWork is where we will go to do all of our online homework. I will be making a separate video just over WebWork, so stay tuned for that other video. Discussion boards, this button will take you directly to the discussions. You can get to those discussions also through the module page. Right, so this is just another spot. They are not in numerical order. How odd is that? The assignment button, hey, you can get to the discussions this way as well. You can also see all of this homework. There's all of your WebWork assignments. And then we have Excel assignments, different things. I have videos for these Excel assignments on my YouTube page, you might want to bookmark my YouTube page because there's a lot of helpful crap there. We've got 2 projects, so this is where you can go to turn in your projects and some quizzes, and then of course your exams. All exams are password protected, and you must go to an Ivy Tech location to take those. Have a question, read the syllabus first, and then ask your question. Quizzes, grades, that's where you'll go to check your grades. People, if you want to see other people in class. If you are not familiar with IvyLearn, you really should be become familiar with this calendar button here on the left because it's fabulous. Now, I need to hit some buttons. My summer classes are up. What the heck? Where's V2B? There it is. Okay, so I'm teaching 3 classes this fall, but 42B is an 8-week class. So 2 classes are 16 a week, and you'll notice that they're different colors because 43B is this pretty blue color, and V2B is this gray color. So you can see it shows up. Let's go to September where we've got more stuff due. So you can see that this is how it'll show up, and you can change the colors of your courses if you really want to. If you need to know how, let me know. But if you're taking multiple classes, there'll be different colors, and then you can see on your calendar when everything is due. It's very helpful for you so that you know what's going on. Everything in this course is due at 11:59 p.m. except exams and exam reviews. Those are due at 5 p.m. on Fridays. We will get more into exam talk later, but that's kind of just an overview. The inbox is a way for you to email me directly through Canvas if you feel the need to do that. So that's kind of a quick run through on the course. Of course, at any point in time, if you have questions, shoot me an email. Oh, excuse me. Shoot me an email, and I will do my best to get back to you quickly. But hit buttons. You can't break anything. Go through, click on things, see what you can do. Please make sure you read all of my announcements because if I'm putting them there, I think it's important information that you need. So let me know if you have any questions on that. All right, let's have a good semester. Thanks, guys.